In this video, let's learn how to use application as pop-up view. Now I open gallery. Now I press my home button. Now press your mobile recent key. After you can see your recent open applications. Now I select gallery and click on this ball icon on this app top area. Now click on this open in pop-up view option. You can see the application in pop-up view. You can move this application by click on this icon. You can change this app size. If you press this icon, you can see these options. Now I press this first option. You can see the mode is changed. When I press this three dots icon, the second option is appear. Using these icons, you can change this app size. Now I press this icon. We can see our app in small icon like this. Using this second method, I can use my app in large view. In this method, you can use your application as pop-up view. I think this is very helpful to you.